people, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 105 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're taking some things apart and then putting them back together again. It's one of those going back to things. The Londinium larcenies. We've got Lord Marmaduke Fog, with 2 F's and 2 G's. Very strange, I don't know. Old Londinium, I assume it's meant to be London. There we go. Lady Penelope Pea Soup. Typical British names, obviously. It's the one where Batman and Robin are caught in a Londinium fog. Yeah, there we go. Basil, Lord Fogg's friendly butler. Okay, there we go. Yes, so this is what we've got today. We've got our rear lights, which we're going to be fitting. We've got some tape as well, which we'll be using throughout, no doubt. We've got to take the frame off of the back bit, then fit the lights to it, and then play around with some electrics from the bottom bit, unplugging those and plugging it all up into here before putting the panel back in place again and securing things with some tape and some screws, little brackets. So yeah, lots of stuff to do on this one, and we're going to end up with it back together again with some wires hanging loose. So let me clear this out of the way and we'll get it apart and then get it back together again. Right, so here are the parts that we've got this time. We've got our rear lights, the little plastic brackets, which I'm not using yet, and a whole bundle of screws and some tape. I've taken the screws out of this, the entire body part. There were 10 screws, 5 down each side, or 4 down, 5 down each side, then this one here. So that is now separate. So I can leave the main body piece there and just bring in this bit. And this bit is what we're going to be playing with now. We're going to be fitting that to there with that over the top of it. So that's actually on the outside, like that. And we've got 2 of these BM screws to hold that in place there, and the same over the other side. So let me get those in place, and then we'll see about plugging in some wires. Right, next up I need the interior piece and the wires that I've got here. We've got the 2 turn signals and the brake lights. They are being held in here, about there, by one of these clips on that side. The other one goes off over the other side but doesn't get held in place quite yet. That one, and what have we got there? B, that's E, which is not F, E. So this one goes over there as well. So that and that are over there, held in place with that and 2 AM screws. Let's get 2 AM screws out. There we go. So that will go over there. Like that. I'll get those tightened up properly. I can't really lean on this because it's got the engine bits sticking out the top here. So not really designed for any pressure at all. So that's those 2 are going to be there. This one goes over there. This one comes over this way, across the trunk, and we'll come up to here. And that's obviously going to go in the cross there as well. So let me get that tightened up and then put this back in the whole frame of the casing thing with all these screws back in place. Then we'll see about how we're routing the rest of the wires. Don't know why we have to do this first, but there we go. And there we go. That's that. All the plugs in place. The wire, I shouldn't have had that one under there, but this one does. That one's in there, and all the 4 bulbs are in the little sockets. All looking good. I've got a few bits of tape to put down to route these back where they should be. But apart from that, that's another issue done. So thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you for more very soon. Bye-bye for now.